Hey everyone, it's Miss V here, and have you ever wondered what we do on a typical CC challenge day? Well, there are 6 strands, and when I say strands, I mean subjects. One of the subjects is math. So there's a maximum of about 12 students in each challenge class, and each student is supposed to bring a math problem that they've been struggling with throughout the week. They get up and present a little presentation, and afterwards we have a discussion on how we solve it. This is kind of how that discussion goes. So, what can we define in this math problem?
You can define 3.
Okay, you can define numbers, you can define parentheses, you can define variables. What symbols are being used?
Addition, parentheses, equal sign,
Negative signs. Okay. What laws need to be applied?
the distributive property.
Yes, we can use the distributive property, which I would get into later. Circumstance. What is the big picture? Like, what are we learning?
Algebra.
Yes, we are trying to solve algebra problems. Is this problem solvable?
Yes.
Do I have enough information to solve the problem?
Yes.
Do I have too much information?
No.
Perfect. Okay. Comparison. Can any parts be written in a different way?
Yes.
Yes, for example, we can write 3 as 3 over 1, we can write it as 3 to the 1 power, or we can write it as 3.0. Those are all ways 3 can be written. Relationship. What is the order of operations for the problem? What do we do first?
Parentheses.
Yes, everything in the parentheses is done first. And who is the authority?
You are.
Yes, okay. Now let's solve the problem. The instructions are solve for x. So the first thing we're going to do is use the distributive property. So we're going to do 3 times 2x, which is 6x, plus 3 times 4 is 12, and 3 times x is 3x, equals, and then we do the same thing on this side with the distributive property. Negative 3 times x equals negative 3x. Negative 3 times 4 equals, a negative times a positive is a negative. Negative 12. Okay, and we have some like terms here, so we're just going to add them. 6x plus 3x equals 9x. 9x plus 12 equals negative 3x minus 12. So this is our problem, and now we're going to solve for x. So we have 9x plus 12 equals negative 3x minus 12. So here, what I'm going to do is subtract 12 from each side, and that will cancel this out. And we're left with 9x and negative 3x. And then
interject for a second. Aren't you supposed to add 12 to both sides if you're doing the opposite operation?
well, yeah, we would be
Over there on the right.
on the right. No, we're subtract.
Oh, you just wrote it over there first?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, sorry.
So then we're going to add 3x to this side to cancel that out. And then you add 3x to this side. 9x plus 3x equals 12x equals negative 12 minus negative 12 is a negative 24. So then we just divide by 12 on both sides. X equals a negative divided by a positive is a negative. 24 divided by 12 is a negative 2. And x equals negative 2 is the answer. Any questions? And that is how a typical math problem in the math strand of challenge would go. Thanks for watching. That is just what we do.